Hi friends, my name is Mr. JT, and today I'm going to teach you how to play pretend kitchen with your little one. You can set up your play kitchen using very simple materials like folded paper and a rolled up wash rag to make a hot dog, or some yarn to make delicious noodles. Of course, you're going to need things to cook on, so why don't we head to either the backyard or maybe the living room to find an oven, a fridge, and other stuff. Bet you didn't know your couch could be a stove. Sizzle, sizzle, look at these lovely burgers and hot dogs on my grill that's a chair. What delicious noodles. And when you're all done, you can put your leftovers in the fridge. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Even though we made lots of food, strangely, I'm still really hungry. In conclusion, don't worry if you're not naturally playful. Trust me, you can build this skill. Until next time, I'm Mr. JT, and thank you for joining the Dixon today. Bye.